Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js TypeScript MongoDB. So today we are going to learn about how to create the REST APIs with the Node.js TypeScript and the MongoDB. Basically the CRUD operations using the MongoDB, Node.js and the TypeScript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first we will create a directory Node.js TypeScript MongoDB CRUD. So let's go and go to the folder. So the TypeScript, here we are going to create the folder. This is my node projects, right? So here we are going to create that one in the terminal. Okay, paste cd Node.js. Okay, next step, cd this one, initialize the Node.js project with npm init. Done. Open this in the code. Okay, so this is opened. Next step, we have to init this file. So how to init this file? We have the option nps tsc init. So just to generate a tsconfig json file to configure the TypeScript for your project. Just copy this one and go to the terminal and hit this one. This will create. Okay, you can see that tsconfig file. Okay, so here we are going to give the this one. So this is the compiler options. You can modify accordingly, but I need some of the this details, so I need to just make the smaller one. So I have the minified version of that one. So I'm using this one. Okay, so this one I required, right? So make sure all of these settings should be done in your tsconfig.json file. Okay, es module interloop, decorators, strict property initialization, emit decorators meta, include source ts file, exclude the node modules. Okay, done. Next step, this is the folder structure, that is Node.js TypeScript MongoDB CRUD source, controllers, models, routes and the index. So we go with the controllers. Okay, so create the folder controllers. Next we have a mod in this user controller.ts. Okay, so user controller.ts, then we have a models. In the models we have user model.ts. Okay, the next one, routes we have user routes.ts. Okay, then we have index.ts, or you can make it app.ts, up to you. Okay, so this is index.ts. So everything is sorted. Now we are going to create the model for the user in the source model user.ts. So this is that one. So just copy this and paste it over here, user models. Okay, done. This is the name and the email we are accepting. Okay, the next one, controller part. So this is the create a user controllers in the source controller user controller.ts file. So let's copy this. This is the full-fledged CRUD operation part. User controllers. We will go this file step by step part. Okay. So this is done. Okay. I think we haven't installed the all extensions, I guess. This we haven't installed now. Let's install this one. Meanwhile, it is installing. Let's do the rest process. We have routes, so let's create the routes with this file. In the source user routes.ts, we have routes. Okay, so just paste it. So this is the route for creating a new user, get all users, put and delete. Okay, and this is all the functions that we are using, and this is from the express. Okay, done. Next step, index.ts file. So here we have the index.ts file, so just use this one, index.ts file. Okay, so these two options I think we don't require in this one. Okay, so MyDB, or you can see that you can make it MyDB Mongo. This, for this we have to restart our, or you can make it separate one also, this Mongo file in the like config.ts file or something, you can also make it. Okay, so what, why there is a one error over here? No inputs. I think something let me check this file. So I have copied properly, I guess. Config.js, and why it's showing the error? No inputs were found in the config file. Oh, we haven't moved all this data to the source file. We have to create the folder source first. Okay, then we have to move the routes into the source. Then we have to move the node modules to the source. Then user move. Then controllers move. Okay, so source models and this are in the routes folder now. Okay, so that's the reason it's showing the error, because it's not getting the source or ts files. And this is that one, and it should move the that file also, the app.ts file, index.ts file. Okay, move. So this is the full source folder, right? And ts config.json outside completed. Okay, so this we have done it. Let's configure the nodemon for the server to restart. Okay, so here we have to configure the nodemon, so install the nodemon first. So here we have a script, so let's copy this scripts and paste this one. So here we have the packet.json where we have a script tag, just paste this one. And main is go with the dist index.js. Okay, wherever it is, just place it with this one. Okay, so don't require this one, so it should be like this. Okay, make sure this is that one, remove this. ASC compile the TypeScript to JavaScript, ensure that the app is built before production. ESLinter, run tests, run test in the watch mode, generate the coverage report. Okay, so this is the dev part. So the project is running with the help of the npm run dev. Okay, so let's try to run it. Here we go with this one, paste, run. There is error, MongoDB cannot find the file module index.js. First we need to restart the Mongo server, so it is not started again. So just copy this and start MongoDB, restart the server. Okay, then so it says cannot find the module index.js file. Okay, or we can directly make index.js. No, 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 this is wrong. This is index.ts. Okay, so you can see server is running on the port 3000 and connected to the MongoDB. So that means connection is done properly and the server is also running. So let's try to the REST APIs part. Okay, let's open the Postman and let's go to the routes first, step by step. So we have the routes. Okay, so here with the routes files. So first we will discuss the index.ts file. What we have done. We have used reflect meta, express, mongoose body parser, okay, JSON part, and the user routes over here. Okay, this is the configurations. There is a mongoose connect DB URL at the connection, then mongoose error else connected to the MongoDB. Then we are using the user routes. So here we have all the routes like the creating the new user, get all users, post and delete. Okay, so first we will go with the create user. So we require the request and the response. So request body should be the name and the email. So just try to send it and check. We have the user post body name and the email. Try to send. It's added. Let's go to the RoboMongo to check data is inserted or not. So the database name is MyDBMongo. So let's go over here. My test DB something. My DB test. And here we have a collections. Then we have a users. And here is the record which I have inserted. Got it? Done. Next step. So this is done. The first one routes. Okay. Create a new user. Then get all the users. So it's just slash part. We will add one more. Test 56. Test 56. Okay. Add it. Then we have a get API. So make it the get one. Then send response. Okay. And here we have all the users. First we have create users, then we require bodies, then user.save status, and if any error, return a server error. Okay, next one, get all users. Okay, this is find one and just returning the user section. Okay, next we have to update that user. It requires the parameters ID. So let's go to the user routes and we have a put request, that is just make the id one. Okay, so here we go with the postman. Here we have the ids, right? So I've just added over here id and make a request put and just change it on Chaudhary. Okay, send it. Done. Let's check the users. So here we have the Rajnikant. This is user na Rajnikant Chaudhary. It is updated. Okay, updated is done. The next one is we have get update is done, then we have a delete user. So if I just move it like delete, send. Okay, no records are there. If I go to the get listing, only one record is found, not this. Remove this one. Only one record is found, and here the only one record is shown. Okay, so that means the delete part is also workable. So let's check the code level also. So here you have can see that the update user. So we have a request and the response update user, find id by update. Then if not, then result that the user not found with the id. If it is found, then save update that user. Okay, here you can see that updated user part. Id request body new true. Okay, update user, returning that part how which one record is updated. Then we have a delete user. Find by id delete, just pass the id. If it is not, then user not found, else return that part. Okay, here you have need to return something like this is record has been deleted or something. Just handle this part. Okay, so this is the full-fledged CRUD operations with the help of the TypeScript, Node.js, and the MongoDB. Any doubt, any query, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.